Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia, and in today's video we are going to be decorating my front porch for fall. The way I like to do it is in September. I like to decorate my front porch for fall, so lots of turkeys, pumpkins, kind of like pumpkin patchy stuff. And then after Canadian Thanksgiving, because I'm located in Canada, we switch it over to spooky stuff and Halloween decor. So I like to have a little bit of everything, and it's such an easy transition from one to the other, but with a lot of impact once the Halloween turns around, because I'm super excited for Halloween, especially now since I have the little kiddos back here as well. So I'm going to take everything down, and while I'm taking everything down, I'm going to be talking to you about this portion of the video sponsor for today, and that is Teddy Blake. I'm so excited to share with you this gorgeous bag from Teddy Blake. It's the Vanessa Palmaletto 14-inch in cognac, and I've been obsessed with it ever since it arrived. Let me tell you why this might be just a perfect addition to your wardrobe, especially this fall. One thing that sets Teddy Blake apart is their design team. They work with Italian designers who come from some of the biggest luxury brands out there, creating unique handbag designs for every style. Whether you love timeless classics or are looking for something trendy, Teddy Blake has something for everyone. And if you don't see your perfect Teddy Blake, don't worry. They release new collections every month, so there's always something fresh to discover. You can really feel the thought and effort that goes into each design. This Vanessa Palmaletto is made from premium Italian leather, and let me tell you, it feels incredible. The texture is so soft but sturdy, and the smell of real leather is just luxurious. All of their bags are crafted from leather sourced from Italy's finest pelletries, and they're dyed and treated to stand the test of time. This bag will stay looking beautiful for years to come. Another thing I love about Teddy Blake is that they work with the same Italian craftsmen who create for other high-end luxury brands. These craftsmen have decades of experience in leatherworking, and it shows. Every stitch, every detail on this bag is so precise, it really feels like a work of art in your hands. And of course, each Teddy Blake bag is truly made in Italy. From the design to the craftsmanship, Teddy Blake ensures that every bag maintains the high-quality construction you'd expect from luxury brands. This Vanessa Palmaletto, for example, is beautifully made with attention to every detail and is designed to last. Now here's the best part. Luxury doesn't have to break the bank. Teddy Blake has made their mission to bring luxury to everyone by cutting out that extra $1,000 to $2,000 you normally pay just for a brand name. So with Teddy Blake, you'll get all the elegance, quality, and craftsmanship of high-end luxury at a price that's actually accessible. So if you've been looking for a designer bag that offers the same luxurious feel and look as the big brands, but without the crazy price tag, Teddy Blake is the way to go. The Vanessa Palmaletto is the perfect example of the balance between luxury and affordability. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to their email list. They're always releasing new collections, so you'll never know what gorgeous designs they'll come up with next. Back to the scheduled programming, and here is what I am going to be using. So I picked up these two mums. They were 2 for $37.99 at Canadian Tire, and then they had the big large mom on sale for $20. You could probably get a better deal at Costco on these. However, I just did not feel like going to Costco today because I wanted to pick this one up at Canadian Tire because it was on sale. The fancy one at Costco was much more money. So then I just ended up picking these up because they had the color that I wanted. And then I have my two wreaths. These came from HomeSense. And then all of this stuff here. And then I'm going to DIY some pumpkins as well, which I'm going to show you right now what I'm gonna do for those. And these are DIY pumpkins, and I'm gonna show you a short clip of how I created this look. This was a Pottery Barn dupe, which can be found on my DIY channel. It will come out later this week. So now onto the DIY. I've been eyeing these fall pumpkins from Pottery Barn. They're about $56 or sometimes on sale for $44. But I thought, why not recreate the look for less? I picked up these pumpkins from Dollarama. The large one was only $5 and a smaller one was $3.50. I'm going to paint the big one a beautiful cream color. I've seen this style everywhere and I love it. To get this color, I mixed Christmas red, burnt umber, moon yellow, and bright blue acrylic paint. I used equal amounts of red and brown and just a drop of yellow and blue. It took 2 good coats to get full coverage, and if you want some added texture, you could mix in baking soda or flour, but I decided to keep mine smooth. Just make sure to let dry completely between coats. I also painted a couple of other pumpkins off camera. I did a terracotta one, a very light beige, and in previous years I've done green pumpkin too. These DIY pumpkins are perfect for my fall decorating. I'm starting off with a completely clean porch as I've already taken down all my summer decor. I love starting with the blank canvas because it lets me envision the new fall vibe I want to create. First, I'm adding some beautiful mums into my large pots. And I'm also using my vintage wash basin to display a few of them. This wash basin gives the porch that charming vintage feel. Next, I'm hanging up these lovely wheat wreaths I picked up from HomeSense a few years ago. They bring such a warm, natural touch to the space. Now I'm going to style the ladder back rocking chair by draping a cozy blanket over it and adding my favorite fall pillow from Michaels. I'm going for a super cozy corner here, and I think the blanket really completes the look, even though it was scorching hot while I was decorating. We've had some extended summer weather this week, and let me tell you, it felt like my face was melting while I was setting everything up. I'm also adding this DIY welcome sign I made a few years back, which brings a rustic look to the porch, especially when paired with my new DIY pumpkins. I'm so happy with how they turned out. This little turkey figure, which was a gift from a friend, adds more rustic vibes and looks perfect right here. Continuing with the cozy rustic theme, I'm placing the scarecrow that I've had for over 20 years on the opposite side of the porch. It's a tradition to use him every fall. I also like to layer my welcome mats, so I'm using a smaller mat on top of a large one for added dimension. And of course, I felt like the pumpkin patch needed more pumpkins, so I'm adding a white one to finish off the look. Moving over to the side of the porch, I'm placing this fun pillow cover along with another pillow that I absolutely love. On the small table, I'm adding the thrifted pumpkins and a turkey candle holder from Michael's to complete the fall vibes. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm back at the front to add my stacking pumpkins. I can't believe I almost left them out, but they really tied the whole porch together. And there you have it. I absolutely love the way this front porch turned out. I love that it's not overpacked, but it screams fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you all so much for watching. And don't forget to check out Teddy Blake's website and use the link in the description box below. Their bags are absolutely stunning and you won't want to miss out. So I'm going to leave you here with the rest of the tour, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.